Guys, the stock market has been smoked. Take a look at this. NASDAQ 750 down 5% all the way to $700 per share. This is nothing to worry about. This is a great pullback. Start dollar cost averaging. This is what you should be thinking about when you are going to be buying the dip. Where do you want to start buying? That really is the question. 748 down to 700. It's already a 6.5 to 7% pullback. We are looking for pullbacks in this region down to 694. That will be the first entry. And we're also going to be waiting for $637. So we need about a 15% pullback. We love seeing this. Stocks like Now are pulling back generously and offering us plenty of opportunity now. So I would pay attention to this, watch the markets, see where you want to enter, and start buying tech. Microsoft was up to $470 all the way down to $414 now. That has pulled all the way back about 12% in 3 days. This is offering lots of opportunity. I would not want to miss this. You are pulling down to support around this area, right around $410 per share. I would not be surprised if we see 400. This is a beautiful long-term entry. Looking at the 1-year chart, we are trading at the bottom of this channel from 342 up to 552, down to 370. Pullbacks to 400 should be bought. This is an excellent opportunity. I would be paying attention to this. Members of the WAP know what I'm doing with Microsoft. Also, I want to bring up SpaceX is coming out next week, so definitely save some cash for that. Now, AVGO, beautiful stock, is finally starting to pull back. We can finally start to enter and buy the dip. 507 all the way down to 383 is a 25% pullback in 2 days. Guys, this is what you want. You want these pullbacks. This is what you should be waiting for and hoping for. We are finally getting it. Hopefully we can get that retest to $350 in the 200 EMA. That would be beautiful. Meta stock. Good thing we scalped this and made money on that bounce from $600 all the way up to $640, and now we took our profits. It's already down to $589. There's a major sale that happened with Meta stock. This is beautiful. Love seeing this. Hopefully we get to see 517. We want to see these big guys die. If you're afraid to buy big cap stocks, then just go with the ETF, SCHG. You will be able to get good entry points buying ETFs that have long-term potential, holding about 10% allocation in the major ETFs. I would be looking at that 35 down to $33 per share. These are all things you should be watching. CBRS, Cerebras, the one that we offer a 50% discount if you're holding. If you show me a screenshot that you are losing money on Cerebras, we'll give you a 50% discount towards the WAP. It's already down 50% since IPO. We told you not to buy this. This is going to keep going lower. Love seeing this thing sell off. It barely makes any money. It's not going to be an NVIDIA competitor. If it is, it's going to take many, many years. So we have plenty of time to dollar cost average. ARM stock, same thing. Starting to finally show that it's human, pulling back from 427 down to 342. These are all buying potential here. SMH finally rejecting 643. This is a major sell-off that we needed. This is very healthy. I'm going to continue dollar cost averaging in the long-term funds. I am loving this opportunity. 292 down to 280. Keep selling off. We need these sell-offs. NVIDIA pulling back all the way from 236 down to 205. Let's wait for that 197 level. Let's wait for that. Apple stock still holding strong at 307, trading at the top of the channel. Basically the only thing that is holding up right now. That is something I would be paying attention to. There is plenty of opportunity here. We're starting to get those pullbacks. Google pulling back to 368. For those of you that are new to the channel, check it out. Trading Simplified on YouTube. Here is the trade name right there. If you want to learn how to day trade, you can also join the WAP. Click on the link right here. Join our trading community. And if you want the blueprint to learn my exact day trading strategy, it's right here. Just click under the one more link. It'll be there for you, wap.com/trading simplified. You can become a member if you want to join the YouTube channel as well and just support the channel. We'll be live streaming on Friday with SpaceX, so definitely stay tuned for that. I'll post the link for that as well. And check out the members only videos. When you subscribe to the members only videos, you gain access to videos dedicated just for you. And be sure to check out the most popular videos. If you're looking to just dollar cost average long term, I got you right here. Definitely check those out. 42,000 views. These are for you.